Hi there, students. Eloquent. Okay, eloquent is an adjective. You could make the adverb eloquently, and then eloquence, the noun of the quality. Okay, if somebody is eloquent, they speak or they write very clearly. They write or they speak very well, so it's easy to understand them, and it gives a very clear message and you understand it very well. So if a speaker is eloquent, then they are very persuasive. Yeah, they speak well and you can understand exactly what they mean. So maybe they're silver-tongued. So notice, if you're eloquent, this is talking about the way you put your words together, the way that people understand them. Yeah, this is slightly different from fluent, which means you don't have problems talking. If you're eloquent, you're persuasive, you're expressive, you're very articulate, you speak very well. He speaks very eloquently. She is a very eloquent speaker. The eloquence of her writing makes it a pleasure to read what she writes. So we could have two synonyms here, articulate and well-spoken, but I think eloquent, if you call somebody eloquent, this is stronger than both of those. Yes, so if you're eloquent, you're very effective in expressing your meaning when you write or when you speak. Okay, so a person could be eloquent. You could wax eloquently. That's a nice collocation, to wax eloquently. To speak with particularly eloquent, good language. Yeah. To maybe make something very showy and it's like a performance. Okay, you could have an eloquent silence. Yeah, this is when you don't say anything, but it's the right moment not to say anything, and it makes something very effective. It gets across gets your message across very clearly. Okay, so eloquent. Somebody who talks very well, an eloquent speaker. Yeah, an eloquent action. I think this is something that's very expressive. I think you could probably go metaphorically with this to say that something is very visible. Yeah, so he gave a very eloquent scowl, angry look, and it said more than words. So I think you could convey a message eloquently without necessarily using words. So eloquent, expressive, articulate, somebody who is very fluent and expressive. They express themselves very well. She made a beautiful speech at the wedding. Her words were most eloquent. Yeah, they clearly express or indicate something. So I guess a mime artist, somebody who doesn't speak but just mimes, they could be eloquent as well. I think probably the best mime artists are very eloquent. But most normally we use this about choosing the right words. Yeah, effective in persuading people. Yeah, something that is powerful. The eloquence of Thomas Hardy's poems is a wonderful thing. Okay, so this is somebody who, when they speak or when they write, they express themselves very well. I wish I had your eloquence. Yeah, so maybe you're learning English, trying to improve your eloquence. Yeah, your expressiveness, how well you express things. Okay, formality, eloquent. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It's a little on the more formal side, but I think you could use it anywhere, even informally. And then as to origin, it comes through French from Latin eloquens, e out and loqui to speak. So to eloqui, to speak out. So you speak out very clearly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Eloquent.